Rain showers my spirit and waters my soul. Parna njanalla, Emily Logan Dissens. Hi, I'm Rahul Manu and I'm representing Peekay In-Store. Vallappozhum mala peyyunnathu ellarkkum ishtamana. Pakshe ningalkku ishtamullappozhokka mala peyyadalo. Let me introduce you to the Hansgrohe Raindance Rainmaker. This is the perfect rain shower you can gift yourself. 3 types of rain modes for the Raindance Rainmaker. 1. Rain Air, 2. Rain Air XL, and 3rd one is wall option. This is Rain Air mode. Basically, you have an actual rain experience. You have Rain Air mode experience. Look at the drizzles. This is Rain Air XL mode. Basically, you have an actual mada plus you have an ideal shower. You should go for the Rain Air XL mode. This is the wall option. Basically, it's a massaging spray option. The Raindance Rainmaker comes in 3 different sizes. Your requirement and choose. We believe in a modern way of showering. To enhance your showering experience, visit Peekay In-Store, Chokli.